I am walking by the Saint Laurent River in Montreal, and I see this cyclable road, or whatever you call it, and this is where the people passes by. So this is a path to go through to ride a bike safely outside of the highway and to enjoy a sunny day. But what caught my attention is this service station that I have found on the path. It's this one. As you can see here, you have a pump to inflate the tires, the wheels of your bike. And if you have any other kind of problem, then you have tools available for you. You have screwdriver, you have other kind of screw clips and many other tools, as you can see. So this is something that even wrenches somehow here. So as you can see, the city hall, the mayor, has put this to the service of the citizenship, anyone that uses this road to ride the bike. So the most of the people, they do not wear any kind of toolkit or toolboxes, but if they have a problem, what shall they do? They only have to come over here to repair their bike, at least temporarily, until they reach to their home. I did enjoy this. I did like this idea very much. That reminded me a verse of the Bible, Hebrew chapter 4, verse 16, where God invites us, well, Paul is in this case, invites us to approach ourselves to the throne of grace, to God, to find the help at the right moment. Read that verse, please. Hebrew chapter 4, verse 16. The help from God is always there on the path. God is always by you. It's like this repair station, but He is constantly at your side. He is only one prayer away of distance. He is there to give you help at the right and precise moment when you need it, when you need that help, when you need that forgiveness to relieve that burden that you have on yourself. So think about that. God is always there, just at the side of the road, asking you to stop, to get fresh, to repair yourself, and He is there available at any moment. Think about that. Hebrew 4:16.